that the SOPs that came up were SOPs that were made in consultation and along with Government of India. Now the Government of India has come out with the different SOPs. Now when those things had happened, the Government of India put a 100-hectare clause in this particular SOP. Now for us, if we wanted, we could have argued at that point also and discussed, and maybe we would not have reached a conclusion. So we decided at that point in time that rather than arguing and discussing and trying to find out a solution to the size of the mines, whether it should be 10 acres or 15 or 100, we decided that let us at least get things started, let the ball roll. And then later on, if necessary, we'll adapt and then bring it down. So without arguing too much, in the interest of ensuring that we actually get the mining through, we went ahead and we got the results as expected. And now, of course, as we move along, as things smoothen out, as the rest of the 17 people who have applied, as they keep getting this, then we will engage with Government of India and explain to them why the land holdings are smaller out here and why now certain amendments to adapt to the overall system out here, like decreasing the size of the mine, should be taken up. It will happen or not, we don't know yet, but we are hopeful that once the government sees the reality, and the Government of India, that is, sees the reality and sees the whole system, we are hopeful that we will be able to get a positive result. But what is most important is that what we have been able to achieve today is the fact that we are able to start scientific and sustainable and legal mining now. And we are hopeful that in the next 60 days, this process now will be over and the first few mines will start operating very, very soon.